Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the camera app and selecting Action Mode. This immediately prioritizes stabilization. Once done, adopt a two-handed grip or mount your iPhone 17 to reduce micro-jitter, because hardware plus software combine for best results. Make sure to tap record with a steady push, not a swipe. You do this to lock exposure and stabilization quickly, so your initial frames are clean. If you need higher frame rates, switch to the desired FPS before recording, otherwise Action Mode will pick a balanced setting. Once recording starts, you must manage exposure and framing actively. Tap and hold your subject to lock AE/AF so the camera stops hunting. Then slide exposure up or down to control brightness and motion blur. Lower exposure can reduce blur, while higher exposure brightens but may soften action. Make sure to give the subject lead space in the frame so motion has room to travel. You do this because Action Mode stabilizes but doesn't predict composition. Your framing decisions determine how natural the motion. You finish by stopping the recording with a smooth deceleration, because abrupt stops create visible jumps. Once done, open the clip in Photos to trim, crop, and apply reframe or minor stabilization tweaks. Export at the original resolution to preserve quality. If you see unexpected jitter, make sure gyro calibration is enabled in settings and retry with a gimbal or lower FPS. This resolves most issues. Also, clear background apps if performance drops, since CPU load affects real-time stabilization.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.